In today's episode of Beard Mechanics Garage, we test the 0 to 60 performance on the JDM MX5 Eunos. So it's 1.6 automatic. So but, initially they were what, 9 point something?
9.1 second stock.
Yeah, but that was like over 20 years ago. So
Yeah,
obviously
right.
being an old car, it's lost some power. So
Yeah.
we'll do the test run and see what we get, and then
Right.
see how much we're going to have to improve it.
Yeah, well, I mean, we don't, obviously this is not like an episode where you're going to see something repeat. But basically, we thought because we are going to do a fair amount to this, we might as well have our starting point
Yeah, absolutely.
recorded and documented for you guys. And then, when we lost all of her hair trying to do what we want to do to it,
Yeah.
we can do performance run and, hopefully it'll be quick.
Yeah. I still like the idea of every time we do something major, doing an 0 to 61 and then seeing the difference it makes each time.
Yeah,
So I like that idea as well.
but yeah,
That's
let's
it.
see what it does now.
Let's go and have some fun.
Alright, all set, Lee?
All set, yep.
We've got the old
Well,
Dragy
well.
over there. Let's see what that beast can do.
Yes, I'm looking forward to doing this ever since we got
don't
it.
burn the tire too much, huh?
Yeah, I'll try not to burn the clutch out.
Alright,
Okay,
good luck.
then. Yeah, see you later.
So, did you remember to record on stuff?
I did not.
Oh,
So
of course not.
it's
But
the-
have you got a time at least on there?
Quarter mile in 12.74, 0 to 60, 13.47.
Yeah, I think I've managed to focus on it a bit.
Yeah,
Alright, so we try out that Dragy stuff then, just let it record all the time.
yeah, let's...
Alright,
Try
it's
that again,
recording.
such confidence
Next
time.
one, at least we'll be able to show you guys
yeah.
a visual from there. Ooh
Yeah,
la
my
la.
bad, sorry.
Alright,
Alright then.
whenever you want, mate.
Cheers, try that again.
Whenever it's safe.
Yes, number 2.
That's right. Well, don't poo in there.
That second one felt a lot quicker.
Yeah,
I've hit stop, so it's...
put it on there so we can see maybe.
Yeah, I think it's done that last one from where I turned round. I obviously wasn't counting it then.
Ooh, a 12.89. Is a 12.5.
I think that was on the way back. Because it obviously when I stopped to turn round, it's counted those as well.
Yeah.
So can we go back to the last couple?
I think if you go. Me, history, not 260, not under. Right, so which day are we today? We are the 18th, so the last three 13.47, 12.89, and 25.29. But that wasn't a lunch, was it?
No, that's where I was just turning around and coming back. I wasn't gunnering it then. But yeah, 12.89.
That's not bad.
Yeah, that's all right. For a car that's over 20 years old.
Yeah. And here you go, guys. So, you know, as you've seen, Lee had some fun.
Yes, a lot
After
of fun.
result-wise, it's not as promising as it should be. But
yeah. So we got the first one I did was 0 to 60 of 13.47 seconds, with a quarter mile of 19.3.
That's right. And what's the passing speed? Because here we can say it.
I'm not sure where it says that.
71.85.
10.85. Yeah,
That's
okay.
right. So just about speed limit for that one. But yeah, 19.7 seconds on what was it? The 0 to 60? 13?
0 to 60 was 13.4 seconds on that
Yeah,
one.
that's the first one. And after, I think the second one.
The second one was better though. That was 12.8 seconds.
Yeah, 8.9. So it's more like a 12.9.
Well, yeah,
12.9.
12.9.
But that is the best we've got so far.
Yeah, that was quite good. And then that was a quarter mile of 19.3 seconds.
Yeah. So
I think actually that was the one that was.
Yeah, that's the quick one. Yeah. On
sorry.
the first one was 19.7 to the quarter mile with a passing speed of 65 miles per
That's
hour.
it, yeah. Yeah, the second one was definitely better.
Yeah. So by the look of it, seems like you know, there is some work to be done on some TLC to go inside the engine bay just to be able to get to the stock.
Yeah, getting it back to stock.
Yeah.
So
it does sound slightly weird, I guess, even on idle a little bit.
yeah.
But it start every time and drive fine.
Starts fine, drives fine. Yeah, goes through the gears fine.
Yeah. So we'll probably start with a full service and change all the liquid and have a bit of a look around.
Yeah, change the oil filter.
Well, we've got the NGK spark plug already. We bought for the last one.
Yeah.
You can change the ignition cable. There's already a bunch of parts for like maintenance and service. We already got.
Yeah.
We already got all the liquids.
Yeah.
All
Got
the coolants,
new
all
coil
the
packs as well,
oil.
haven't we?
New coil pack as well if needed. Yeah. Because we kind of like mucked around with the MK2,
with the old one,
which is same engine. Yeah. But yeah.
Cool stuff.
So here you go, guys. That is what the Eunos is capable of currently, and
So follow us and
subscribe if you
subscribe
want
and follow the journey.
to follow the journey and see whether where we actually bring it. Comment below if you've got any tips on this.
Yeah, any
would
tips
be
would be
of
good.
help. We are not, like we always claim, we never claim to be very skilled. Don't let the name fool you. The beard mechanics is just become because we've got beard and we are very lazy at finding a name. And beard mechanics was kind of like
It's catchy though. Quite
it's catchy.
Yeah, self-explanatory.
Yeah, but like, subscribe, and share and comment on the
All that jazz.
That's right. See you in
Okay,
the
then.
next one.
See you in the next one. Cool. Bye-bye.
Look at that sexy car there. That is gorgeous.